Meghalaya police have successfully incinerated narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances worth over 4 crore on Thursday. This disposal took place at the Star Cement plants in Lumshnong East Jata Hills district. Leading from the front, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, Director General of Police, personally threw the confiscated drugs into the incinerator after following the necessary procedures and meticulously adhering to the Supreme Court's orders regarding the disposal of seized drugs. During a media briefing, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, Director General of Police, expressed his concern about the rising number of drug users, including an alarming increase in female users.
So total drugs worth rupees 4 crore has been destroyed today. The laid down procedures regarding disposal by the Honorable Supreme Court has been meticulously followed, and after completing all the formalities, we have requested the management of the cement factory and they very kindly and very readily agreed to entertain our request, and they have given us the facilities. And I sincerely hope that the drug menace problem will evaporate permanently from the state of magnificent Meghalaya, just like the leaping flame destroys the drugs.